So tell me what you've been doing with pumpkin that I see in the background right there.
Well, you know, we had so many pumpkins, and usually I just throw them in the field, or we're not ones to carve them. I thought, what if I put up pumpkins, because I want pumpkin pie, pumpkin bread, pumpkin anything. So I thought, I'm going to do that myself. So I took one of our pumpkins, and I did it earlier today, and I cut it up, took all the seeds out, and it was in the oven at 350. It's been in there 2 to 3 hours.
Right.
I've turned it off, it's cooled down, so I am ready to scrape me out pumpkin, because I want homemade bread.
And here's what she did. She put this, you know, you can pumpkin, but it's very particular. It has to be cubed, and I mean,
Right.
they can spoil rather easily.
This was simple.
We freeze this, and the way she did this is a portion that we can make a pie.
Pie a week.
Yeah.
We can just keep having pies. That's
Pie
right.
a week. Sounds good to me.
All right.
So let's see what
I'm
you
gonna
got
grab some
going
out.
over there.
And I didn't put anything on these. I just let them, they've been roasting. And I'm just going to go ahead and take maybe one off. What do you think?
They're hot still.
It's not too bad. I'd let them sit and rest a
Oh,
little.
and it smells so good.
I'm just going to take a
That
couple.
smells like Halloween.
It does. The whole house smells good. Those have been roasted in, I think, about 3 hours at 350. And it depends on your pumpkin. The one I did yesterday was done in 2 hours, so I think it all depends. Now, we're going to scrape some of this out, and I'm going to put them in my little food processor over there, and we're going to chop it up. Now, this one doesn't seem, the pumpkin I did yesterday, if it comes out a little bit watery, just kind of drain the water off. This one actually,
A little drier.
yeah, this one's pretty dry, so I guess it depends on your pumpkin. And I actually need 1 cup of this for the bread I want to make. So once we chop it up, let's see if we get it, we might need a little bit more.
So we're just going to take this and mulch it all up.
We are, and hope we get a cup worth.
Well, mulch is more a yard work type thing, right?
That is, actually. All right, you want to see? Let me put 1 more scoop in there. Let's see what we get out of it. Let's stick it on here.
You think that's close to a cup?
I don't know. You think we need a little more?
I think you need a little
Okay.
more. It smells, when you're doing this, your kitchen smells heavenly.
It has smelled good all day, hasn't it?
And she's been having sourdough bread going. She's got a new sourdough recipe that we got when we were staying down on the coast.
Cedar Key.
And this lady from way back in the 50s had this little trick that she did. We'll share that with you in an upcoming show.
All right, let's see what we get on this.
All right, ready?
Yes.
Shouldn't they be mixed up any?
We might need a little more. What do you think? Better to have extra than not enough, right?
My mixing skills appropriate?
You are doing excellent.
Mulching?
You went to school for this, didn't you?
Yeah.
I can tell.
Graduated with honors.
Really?
Yeah.
I can tell the way you do that one-handed. Just flip it, turn it. Really good. All right, see what that gives us. It's got to go on just right, yeah.
Good?
I think we're going to be good this time. All right, good job.
Thank you very much.
I just need 1 cup of pumpkin. I think we're going to get it this time. Let me measure that out. Look how perfect that is. That's
And you know,
better.
this isn't us being trendy, but there are pumpkins everywhere. Why not use them?
I'm going to do this. You're going to smell pumpkins for a week. I'm going to do this all week.
I ain't scared.
Look at that was
That's
perfect.
perfect.
Perfect. Ta-da.